7th grade. Today I'm going to be talking about your assignment for today, March 31st, 2020. And the first thing we're going to do is set up a works cited page. So I want you to go to the very bottom of your presentation. And you're going to click on the plus sign. And you're going to add the title works cited. And this is where you cite the works that you used. And I want to add a number 1 because just like we're writing our scientific reports, we're numbering our sources. So I'll put a number 1 to start, and if I need more numbers, I'll just add it as I go. So in your directions, you were supposed to pick one of the body systems and talk about 3 to 5 functions of that body system or purpose of that body system. So I'm just going to start from the top with the skeletal system. And so I'm going to title this System Functions. And I want to use bullet points. So let me move my picture over to here for a second. So I can access my bullet points. And now I need to find some information from a website. So I just went on to my search engine, function of the skeletal system, and I found a bunch of different sites. I chose one that I thought was a reliable source, and I could tell, well, as soon as it loads, that, no thank you, close this. Okay, so it had scientific articles, and I really liked the way it presented the information. So I'm going to scan this. I'm looking for purpose. Here we go. Okay, so now it's talking about the skeletal system. It's talking about different things, and that's just what I want. It has 3 different functions for the skeletal system, and I need 3 to 5, so that fits. So I'm going to Control C. I'm going to come over to my presentation, and these are not my words, so I want to make sure that I use quotation marks. So I'm going to use Shift and then press the quotation marks button. And then I'm going to do Control V to paste my information. Now I need to break this up into 3. So the skeletal system provides the structural support for the human body and protects. So support for the human body. Boom. That's 1. And then I press Enter. Protects our organs. I'll add some continuation dots because that was part of the quote, and put a quotation mark. Boom, that's 2. Okay. Other vital functions. I don't need this part. I only want to do the most information. I'm going to put 3 dots because the quote has other parts. I'm getting part of it, so I put the quotes to show it continues. Other vital functions, including producing blood cells. Okay. Put my quotation marks on the end. Storing and releasing fats and minerals. Awesome. So put my dots. And releasing fats and minerals. Boom. All right. So since all of this is under system functions, I used one site. I'm going to press Shift and press 9 to get a parenthesis. I'm going to put a number 1. I'm going to press Shift and press 0 to get my closing parenthesis. And let's see, let me get this quote continues. This quote continues, so I need the dots. This was in the middle of it, it continued, and this was the end of it. So, and this quote continues. All right, perfect. So I have my dots to show that I have everything in the middle. Now, the last thing that you need to do, if I put a 1 right here, I need to make sure that the site where I got it from is also on my works cited section. So I'm going to go down to my works cited section, and I'm going to paste it right there, and I'm done.